Institute, and he started serving at the age of 17, then with Mr. Placido Tinitigan. Mr. Bayani Ipase, palakpan natin si DJ for sure.
Maraming salamat po sa pamilyang ito at kayo naimbitahan dito sa inyong reunion. It all started with Ninong Placido with Banahaw Finance Corporation and Kuya June Tinitigan with Banahaw Pongsha. Then with Rosario Institute, and it was history then with Attorney Joel Tinitigan. Napakasaya po ng stay ko with this family at sana po'y magkaroon pa kayo ng mahabang na reunion sa susunod na taon. Maraming salamat.
So last but not the least, I understand siya ang nagpalaki, no? Mula kay sa maraming anak ni Dad hanggang all the way to Kuya Danilo. Mula kay Atruena, Kuya Danilo, pasa-pasa na. 57 years with the Tinitigan family. Si Juanita, Nanay Waning, Rasulade.
Ako'y nagpapasalamat sa pag-ano ko dito sa Tinitigan, sa mga Tinitigan family na sila ay mababait. Since I was working since 1957 and I was with them until now. And the first I was helping ako ay nagsimula sa tindahan ng Tinitigan sa Cavite City. Sila ay appliances ng mga PX boards since 1957. And then, pag-alis ng yaya ni Danilo, ako ang ipanalit hanggang dito na sa kay Rina, kay Cynthia. Ako na, hindi na sila kumuha ng nag-aalaga, hindi ako na nag-aalaga. And until now, I was still working with them. Maraming salamat.
That ends our awarding. The exchange gift will follow. On behalf of the other organizers, thank you for taking part in our reunion. Those who would like to swim, pagpalista na lang kay Elaine, the one in red. Free registration sa mga gusto mag-swimming. With the success of today's first ever reunion, this may not be the last. Thank you very much. Good afternoon.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here to take away. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time.